In this episode of Andrew and Pete versus Dan and Lloyd, we were challenged by Dan and Lloyd.
Well, wait. It was just Lloyd, actually.
Oh yeah, Dan's probably getting a spray tan. We were challenged by Lloyd to tell you how you could be using bots in your business.
The rules are simple. We must fashion our best DIY robot costumes with tinfoil. We must break out our best robot dance moves and only use the words affirmative or negative instead of the words You thought we were gonna say those words you can't say, but we didn't.
Do you think we look stupid or something? Affirmative. This is happening. Facebook Messenger bots are awesome, and in this video we're going to give you a ton of ways you could be using them in your marketing, including lead generation, so stay tuned for that. Does my bum look big in this?
Let's do this.
An easy way you could use them is as a knowledge base. Program your bot to answer all the questions that you get asked on a regular basis. If people need a quick answer, they can rely on the robots.
Another cool thing you can do is to get your new customers subscribed to your bot and run an onboarding sequence to guide them through.
You can do cool things to make your new customers super fans of your brand, including video greetings, polls, and targeted content depending on how they've bought or how they've interacted with your bot, plus a ton more.
Strengthen that connection by letting your customers know you are just one message away.
As communication moves more and more towards messenger apps, be one of the first businesses to embrace this.
You can use them as a content distribution platform. Let people sign up for notifications as soon as you publish a new piece of content.
A cool thing about this is that you can use media within the bot itself. So you could be playing your latest video or audio message from within Messenger. A top tip is to make these easy to opt out of, but still stay subscribed. Because some people don't really want broadcast messages within Messenger yet, but give them the option if they do. Make sense?
Affirmative. Using bots in conjunction with your Facebook page gives you unlimited power, so that you can reach for the moon, or home, as we like to call it. Here's some ways that you can use it. Firstly, asking people to comment to subscribe. You can link up your bot to a post on your Facebook page, so that whenever someone says a certain trigger word, a message is automatically sent to them to confirm their registration.
This means you can use your bot to get people to download a lead magnet, sign up for bonus content, or even subscribe for your next webinar.
The beauty of this is that it is super easy to comment, and once commented, the comment acts as engagement. The more engagement you get on a post, the more reach that post will get organically. We've seen some of our posts get over 600% reach organically. That's insane. You're getting both more reach and more subscribers in one.
Imagine you did a weekly Facebook Live cooking show. You could get people to comment to subscribe to the show, and that will deliver them notifications of when you next go live.
I don't need food.
You could even say, comment with the word recipe to get the full list of ingredients and cooking instructions. Boom.
The robots say boom.
Engagement and subscribers.
Another way you can use this is to do fun quizzes on your Facebook page, where the answer is only revealed to the people who get it right. This is amazing fun.
Affirmative. Nice dancing there, Pete.
Thank you, but that is not my favourite kind of music.
What is your favourite kind of music?
Heavy metal.
Lol. Finally, generating leads. Bots are good for this. Did you know that you can ask people to type their email address and it will automatically get added to your email service provider or your CRM?
That is positively amazing. Check out the tutorial of how to do that here.
What else?
You can also have landing pages.
What else?
You can also have website pop-ups.
What else?
You can also have chat boxes on your website to make sure people buy.
What else?
You can also set up remarketing ads that go straight to people's messengers so that you can cure cart abandonment.
What else?
You can also sell directly within Messenger itself and let people self-serve.
How'd you do that then?
Well, on the menu, you've got like a work with Andrew and Pete option, so people can just click on it and we ask them a series of questions, and depending on what they choose for their business size and type and goals and budget, then we just send them like what's most suitable service.
Nice.
Affirmative.
Oh, wow! There is so much that we can do.
I know. I need to go call my mother. Hang on while I go phone home.
You know we're robots, not aliens, right?
Does not compute. As you can see, bots are freaking awesome! And if you want to start using them yourself, you should go check out Build Your Bot Month over here, and we'll show you how to set up your very own bot in 4 easy steps that even a monkey could do, or a robot with low artificial intelligence.
Right, that's it. I'm off to read my new book on artificial intelligence, actually.
Oh, cool. Who's that by? I'm here.
Android. Let's just go to the scores.
Wow. Those robot dance moves, guys, seriously, that was amazing. Well done, that was so good. We didn't think it was fair that we marked you on the last challenge because it may be unfair that we could make ourselves win potentially. So, what we've done is we've got Tiny from Social Day, the Social Day mascot, to do the scores for you guys. Take it away, Tiny.
Hello, Tiny here from Social Day. I've been asked to guest judge this Dan and Lloyd versus Andrew and Pete thing. So for costume, I've given you 7 out of 10. It's a good effort, but I can still see those human legs. Now for dancing. It's clear you boys like a boogie. Now, I've given you 9 out of 10, and I especially like Pete's donuts on that scooter. It's affirmative, it's a full house for the yes and no. I couldn't spot any in there. I've also given you 2 bonus points. The first is for your use of witty humour, and the second for clever sound effects. Well done, chaps.
Oh, Pete's just lost his bottom half. Pete, you've exposed yourself.
Look at me.